everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your selfies in CapCut to make it look better using the retouch feature. So first, of course, just add your photo to CapCut like this. I've already added a photo to my CapCut, and after that just click on the photo, swipe until you find this retouch option, click on the face. Okay, so here there are 1 2 3 things that you can edit. First, you can add makeup. You can also do some reshaping on your face, like nose, mouth, or eyebrows. You can also for example, change your skin tone or make your skin looks even, the color I mean. You can also whiten your teeth and reducing your smile line. So I'm going to, let's see, change the skin tone here into warm honey. You can also adjust the intensity of the warm like this, and I'm going to make it smoother, the skin. Okay, this is the before. You can see the skin looks smoother now. And here I'm going to do some reshape. For example, the eyebrow. Here I'm going to adjust the tilt. You can see it moves like that. You can also adjust the position, and after that just click on the check icon when you are done. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.